In this video, I'll be showing you how to easily make your 3D objects more transparent, like you can do with 2D. Because with 2D, you just have your object, and then there's a slider on the side, and you can just change it. So now it's 50% transparent. But with 3D, we don't have that. So the first thing we need to do is go to your search engine and search up GDevelop Material 3D, and it should be the first link. We'll click on here and go to his extension and click download now. And then you can help him or you can support him, but I'm just going to go to the download and then click download. Now we'll go back to GDevelop and we'll go up to the 3 lines and add an extension, import extension, and then downloads, and then Material 3D. So now we've got that in there. Alright, now that we've got that added, make sure your object is like a 3D model, not a 3D box, otherwise it won't work, because it only works with the models. So go to your object, add a behavior, and search up Material 3D, and add that. And then go to events, and add a new event. And for my condition, I'm just going to set it at the beginning of scene. And then for my action, I'll search up material, and change the opacity of our objects. And then you can set it to whatever you want. So now if we preview this, he's transparent. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed, then check out one of my other videos.